Are you planning to create your new animated logo? Or maybe thinking of creating a dreamy title for your new project? Might be thinking of 3D AI animations? Well, Filmora 15 got them all. Go to Titles and select AI Texts. Here you will see many templates, but search for fluffy plush lettering. Drag and drop it to your editing timeline and this interface will pop up. It will require you to update the text in the template, and that's all you have to do. I am thinking about Sugar Rush from Wreck-It Ralph movie. Now you might think that the more letters you add, the more AI credits it will require, but that's not the case. Even if you max it out, it will stay at 85 AI credits. Just make sure you don't make any typo. You may also change the ratio of the title you want to generate. You can either make it portrait or landscape, widescreen or square, etc. Once ready, you may now generate and wait for a few minutes until your title generates. Here's the result. Let's try another one called Neon Club. Drag and drop it to your editing timeline. Update the title text. Let's try Gaming Hub. Hit generate and wait. After a few moments, here's the result. You now have a neon sign title for your new intro or channel animation. Lastly, let's try generating a 3D version of ourselves. Go to Stock Media. Click AI Media and select Video Inspiration. In this feature, you don't have to think of the prompt and just utilize many inspo in this tab. Under Video Inspiration, search for MyMoji. You may also see it here in the list of entertainment prompt templates. We will use this template and try to generate our own 3D self. See, once you click the template, it will give you a prompt, and what's left to do is to insert your image. If you feel like changing any part of the prompt, you are also free to do so. For now, we'll just use what's here and see what happens. Hit generate and wait for a few moments for your video to be generated. You may see the generation progress here in Project Tasks. Once done, you may now view it in your folder of AI-generated files. I hope this video helps your next project. Try Filmora 15 now, link in the description below.